Hey, this is Kristin and I am in San Antonio, Texas with the brand new Kia Telluride. This is the 2023 model and it looks very similar, but there are a couple key differences. Number one, there's two new trims, X-Line and X-Pro. This is the X-Pro. You'll see it's got a brand new front fascia. It's got new bumper here. And that's one of the key, oh, we've got a little bee there as well. He likes it. We've got this new bumper has added to the ground clearance. The regular Telluride has 8 inches of ground clearance. The X-Pro and X-Line have 8.4. We have lots of little animals and insects here around us, and this is the kind of environment that the Telluride loves. Telluride's been a huge hit for Kia, and it's going to continue on with these two new trims. Let's take a look around. So once again, this is the X-Pro. We took this off-road and I just got home from the Rebel Rally, 8 days off-roading. This is very capable. Kia and Hyundai came to play, and this one in particular is going to be really popular with people who like to go camping or just like to get off the main road a little bit. Here in Texas, we like to do that quite a bit. These are new headlamps, LED, and all-wheel drive is standard for the X-Pro and the X-Line, and that's key when you want to go off-roading. It also has these gorgeous Continental tires, new wheels, and it's very capable. This is a new color. This adds about $500 to the total cost. The base model of the Telluride starts at about $37,000 with your destination fees. This model that we're driving right here, as tested, is closer to $55,000. And like I was saying, this new color, Midnight Lake Blue, is coming in with about $500 extra. It's worth it. It's a good looking blue. As you know, the Kia Telluride is a 3-row SUV, so you can fit 7 passengers in there. I really love the way the interior looks. There's lots of room, and there's lots of ways you can do configurations inside this SUV. So if you have 2 kids with lots of sports gear, or you could have a carpool that you take along with you, and there's still room in the back. One feature that the X-Pro has that the other trims don't have is a 110-volt household outlet in the back. So from here, if you're off the beaten path, you can plug in appliances, you can plug in electronics, but you know, who needs electronics when you're out camping? Like, you want to get away from it all. But as you can see, there's lots of room. Here, you can pull up the 3rd row seats very easily with these straps. And then you still have your room back here. So the Telluride for 2023 looks very similar, but these key differences will set it apart in the market. You can tell that Kia is really trying to leverage that off-road trend that's happening. You know, more people overlanding, more people want to get off the road in the last couple of years, and they're making sure that the Telluride is up for the task.